Hi, I'm Tom from the Lift and Shift Foundation. I'd like to take a couple minutes just to showcase an app that's been built by some of our interns. We're onboarding new interns for the spring, and some of them will be working on this. So I'd like to run through some of the features, give it a test spin, show everybody what works, what doesn't work. And at the same time, I'd really enjoy some feedback from the education community or the web development community. What do you see here that works? What do you see here that doesn't work? What does like our roadmap look like? Any feedback that we can give to these interns to give them some valuable projects to work on, some real world uh, needs that they can meet. So I'm gonna get right into it. I don't want to talk about it all day. I'm gonna call this our Scratch app because it's basically our own version of Scratch. So over here on the side, you can see there's a slide out menu. We've been slowly working on this. There's a donate pane here, loading spaces, saving things. There is code that you can export. I'll come back to that in a minute, and a help system that is a skeleton on the back end, but we haven't connected it yet. The same with the user login. But those are parts that are relying on me basically because I'm doing the back end and all of the because it's all PHP and students really don't have much experience with PHP. So let's just slide that away. But if you've never used Scratch, let's make a little magic happen. Okay, let's do some repeat forever. Why not? Let's do some fun stuff. We will go. We will move. Let's do some move. Yeah. Ooh, move. Sure. Move right, and we'll find a number. We'll go to 10 steps, and then we will. Do we have a weight in here? I think we have a weight. I'm pretty sure there was a delay. Delay. We'll make it a 1 second delay because we want to go. Let's say move left 10 steps, just like that. So this is a block of code that repeats forever, and as it's repeating forever, it will do the following commands: move right 10 steps, delay 1 second, and then move left 10 steps. We can run this code right here with the button, and we can see the little alien right here going back and forth. He's taking 10 steps right and 10 steps left. He's doing a little shuffle. Isn't that sweet? Cool. So we can pause it. We can reset, which resets the block. We can drag this away. All this is great. This is super. My immediate thoughts for the students are, excuse me, there are buttons up here meant to expand this. I'm calling it the GUI, the graphic user interface for the people. There's it's a fixed size right now, so there's no way to change it. The buttons are here, but there's no back end controlling the buttons. Same with these A and B buttons here. There was a purpose for those to make it more functional on touchscreens and tablets and things. That has not been connected yet. So those are obvious things that students could get into and do with us. The background, we would like to upload backgrounds and be able to let people save graphic backgrounds. For right now, I did something very, very quick and clever, just changing the background color from white to a different color. So we can literally do this all day. Super. And we can set the guy. Right now there's no way to control the guy or do anything else. And we can add other sprites, other characters, other parts. One thing we would like to do is add support for an Arduino, which includes a long list of things. To be honest, developing the code to generate the Arduino code, uh, being able to support a USB device through the browser, and then handling more than one character or sprite or button over here. So there's a few steps. So I should go back and show the. Boo! I did not show the. Where'd it go? Let's just repeat. No, we'll repeat forever. We'll just do the move down 10 10 steps. The thing that's already done here is the JavaScript that you can see here. The JavaScript is developed with the JavaScript code generator, and you can actually download the JavaScript file. So you can write in these blocks, and you can drag them all around. You can move everything, and then you can get the code. You can see the code. You can download the script and use it elsewhere. So those are most of the features that are here. And like I said, we want to add more to this. We would I think some of the buttons are just bare bones buttons. They're placeholders. So the graphic user interface on the left hand side is in need of some love and some attention. On top of that, there's this back end of connecting to workspaces so users can load things, and then dealing with the background, dealing with adding more than just our little alien guy, and hopefully we'll have some interns who are actually drawing more graphics for us, more sprites, more characters, more backgrounds, all of those things. But there are some menu buttons here that obviously need handlers to do something when the buttons are clicked. But I like I said, I'm showcasing this for not just our interns, but for the community of developers, the community of educators, the people who would use this or be involved in building it. What do you see that I don't see, or that our students might not see as a good um, next step, or a feature that hasn't been implemented yet, or maybe just a feature that looks like poo, right? Sometimes these are like placeholders, and there's something we could do a little bit better. I'm very curious and very interested in people's feedback, so drop them in the comments, please. And I'm going to wrap this up because I don't want to be here all day. You probably have some other things to watch. Thanks for the time. Like I said, I'm Tom from the Lift and Shift Foundation. You can follow us. You can subscribe to this. My goal here is to work with the students through the spring and the summer and showcase some of their progress. I think that this will be a cool way for people to contribute and to give back without actually signing up with us as a volunteer. So if you are here and you are curious how this project progresses, please, by all means, follow us, subscribe, mash buttons, share this with people who are interested in this kind of thing. The goal here is to use our YouTube channel to kind of show how we're building in public. And at some point, we've got to release this repo from a private repo to a public repo and do all of that progress. So please stay tuned. All right, thanks.